Low backlash planetary gearheads are the connecting link between a servo motor and an application. The main function of the gearhead is to transform torque and speed and adjust mass inertia. Viewed from the inside, the toothing is the central element of every gearhead. Just like in the universe, everything revolves around the sun. That is why the components driven by the servo motor are called the sun wheel. The revolving planets circulate around the sun wheel with the aim of transmitting power. The planet's orbit is determined by the ring gear in the housing. The planetary wheel connects the individual planets and transmits power as a combined force. Decisive for the power and speed transmission is the ratio. The ratio represents the relation of the driving speed on the input side to the driven speed on the output side, and is defined by the relation of the ring gear size to the size of the sun wheel. Typically, the ratio lies between 3 and 10 in a single-stage design. Let's look at an example. A servo motor rotates at the input of a gearhead at 3,000 revolutions per minute. At the same time, there is a torque at the application of 120 Newton meters. The gearhead reduces the speed of the motor by the factor of the ratio, for example, ratio 4. That means the output rotates 4 times slower than the input. That is 750 revolutions per minute at the output. At the same time, the torque of an application is also reduced by factor 4, so that the motor only needs to apply 30 instead of the required 120 Newton meters. This, of course, is subject to ideal conditions. In reality, the efficiency of the planetary gearhead must also be taken into consideration. The development, production, and sales of low backlash planetary gearheads are our core competence. Planetary gearheads from Wittenstein Alpha are convincing customers all over the world with their high level of efficiency and high transmission torques in compact design.
Conventional involute gearing creates a linear contact. Only this contact can be used for torque transmission. This contrasts sharply with the revolutionary principle of the new Galaxy drive system. Almost full surface contact is now possible for the first time, thanks to the novel tooth geometry. Extremely high torques can be realized by 6 times larger surface for power transmission. A large number of dynamized teeth interlock simultaneously. The gearing has been shaped as a logarithmic spiral. By the way, the same logarithmic spiral is also found in the spiral arms of a Galaxy. The combination of parts enables absolutely zero backlash kinematics with full stiffness, even at the zero crossing. The torque and stiffness characteristics surpass the values of traditional hollow shaft drives with the same outer diameter by a factor 3 to 5. The Galaxy drive system reaches performance levels which, up to now, seemed utterly impossible. For people with a vision, it opens up a wealth of new opportunities. Enormous hollow shaft, very high torque density, zero backlash, extreme torsional rigidity, full stiffness even at the zero crossing, long lifetime, excellent robustness, ready for Industry 4.0. The new Galaxy drive system for high-performance engineering. Next Technology Drive. Discover infinite possibilities.